Tend county za Okwako mondo omeda kwano omenda ma iketo tenge ne weche mag thieth mondo duok chien nok mag yedhe ute thieth mag piny owacho kinde ma piny mangima hingo odiechieng' mar jolony mag yedhe kata World Pharmacist Day ka gitwak gi ute fwambo e kar thieth ma kuoyo mayudore e kar dak ma Manyata e kaunti ma Kisumu. Jolony go olero ni nok mar yedhe e ute mag thieth en achiel kuom midhiero mag kale kinde ka kinde e chendogi mag siro weche mag thieth. Gilero ni atamalo 70 mag ute thieth e kaunti ma Kisumu ema ni kod rang'iny kod kwan mag yedhe madwarore kata malo 30 pok ochopo e rang'iny ma kamano.
We are focusing actually from curative to promotive and preventive health, which as a Department of Health, we are very, very interested, and immunization plays a very, very key role. We've seen how immunization has helped actually alleviate the vaccine preventable diseases, and actually it's an honor that PSK has actually agreed to partner with us today to conduct an outreach and even an e-reach in this specific facility. So we are actually privileged to having agreed with PSK to actually do the rollout targeting institutions that are actually around the catchment area of Koyo Health and Wellness Center.
Mine is just to appeal to all the county governors that kindly support pharmacists to ensure that our tool of trade is available, because these are highly trained personnel. And it is not right for you to be able to have personnel that is highly trained, highly skilled, but without their tools of trade. I can say that in terms of availability, for essential medicines, that is at 70% currently, as we speak, which is still a very big problem, because at 70%, it means that there's a huge number of people who actually cannot be able to access affordable and quality medicine.